So this is my $1,300 Honda Odyssey. Luckily it doesn't have BCM. It's a 2005 with around 187,000 miles. And major issues with this is the rust here. This is pretty common among Hondas. And the clear coat peeling on the bumpers, and it got into an accident, which is pretty minor. So that one got fixed somehow, but there's still a crack. Peeling clear coat over here too. And then paint is still good in the front, but there's a crack in the bumper. Luckily it can be fixed easily. And then this one is not properly aligned, and I think I need to get the inner fender for this. I don't know the reason, but probably they fixed the washer fluid in there, the motor probably. In terms of the interior, actually I took out the carpet here because it's so gross, and I took out the seat cover, but that one is also bad. I think it got burned, so there's some burned areas over there. I also cleaned this one. So far everything is good. So this one is basically a base model. It has cloth seats, no option for a bench here in the middle. I cannot see the seat belt in there. So far the seats are the worst part of it, and all the electronics here seems to be working, except for some issues with with some trim in here. Yep, not latching properly. Yep, so I need to probably put some stuff in here to make it stay, but pretty minor stuff. This Odyssey has a problem with alignment, I guess, and then there's an oxygen sensor code, and then this one is also hard to but it locks and unlocks. You have to like smash it really hard to close it, otherwise you won't be able to open it. So I'm currently driving the Honda, and so the check engine light is there. It's for the oxygen sensor. The heated circuit is busted, and then cat efficiency code, which doesn't really affect anything. It still drives fine though. I don't see the echo button, the echo light turning on for this, so probably the VCM was disabled for this. And everything looks fine actually, but the problem is the steering wheel is crooked. It's not aligned, so I don't know what's going on, but this is one thing to check. And it's really dirty. It's really dirty. AC works fine, the radio works fine. I have a hard time trying to figure out how to change the volume of that one. Maybe there's something wrong with it. This vent is like really like stuck. I don't know, but I think it's like probably stuck or got sticky because of soda maybe. But yeah, look at this grime over here. And we have like seat covers here, but everything actually drives fine on this car except for the steering wheel. Yeah, I'm planning on turning off the check engine light, but I don't see no use for that because it's gonna turn on anyway. So it has like 187,000 miles, and it has like a recent oil change. Hasn't been driven, so it's 107. It says 189 here. So yep, I still got like 2,000 miles or 1,000 more miles left for an oil change. But when I check the oil, it's actually clean. And the engine actually runs smooth, running at 65 on the highway. There's no issues with it. So there's definitely a slow leak here where the plastic meets the body of the pump, and somehow on this side too it's getting wet, but it's not really that bad. Yeah, and my level is still at the low portion. So the lower level, yep, lower level, and there's no leak in there. So let me check down there. There's really no massive leak that I could see here. Yep, it's still dry. I don't see it leaking at the end there. Yep, I don't see it. I just wipe it, and then on the engine side, this side is still dry though. So I think it's too early to tell. I think I got like a slow leak rather than a big leak that basically makes a dripping, makes an oil drip on the driveway, but I don't see any though. I see some of the transmission, but it's pretty much normal at this mileage to be in that state. I'm gonna wipe that clean, but yeah, it's not that bad. It just needs an alignment. And the sensor. So here's what's behind the seat cover. I think it got burned. Yep. The other one is not that bad. I think they just put it there so that it's just normal stain. But they didn't actually clean this one. So everything is so dusty, and I think this one is broken. It's even like stuck. Oh, it's not stuck anymore. Yeah, this one is working. I need to thoroughly clean this. Look at this. Yep, even the buttons. This one needs a thorough cleaning to the door. Yep. There's so many hair in here. I don't know. I think it's pet hair. So probably I'm gonna need to change the cover for this. So definitely I need to change it. So I'm gonna first clean this one because this is just gross. Really gross. And then this one. Pretty much on the driver's side. The one where the carpeting or the cover meet. This is where all the grime is. Yep. And this one too. Like, this is where like you know, the hands are so grimy. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this. So things that are loose, I feel that this is loose, I think. And this one is like very problematic. Probably because the screws here are loose, and then there should be a cover in here. So I need to find a cover for this. So if if I do this, it's weird. Yep, I need to like press it. So I need these two screws probably tighten. Okay, so there's an issue with the alignment because I could look at the tires. The tires here have wear on this side, and looking at the shock or the strut, this one was probably changed. This was changed, and we have a leak somewhere over here. I don't know what the leak is. I don't know if it's engine oil, but looking above there, it looks like it's coming from, some of them are probably coming from the steering pump. And yeah, if you look at this one, this is wet, and I still have to dig more on what is this leak all about. I need to further check the boot in here. Yep, this one. If this one is a real leak, then yep, probably the steering rack needs to be replaced, but I don't know though. I probably need a lot of brake cleaner to clean this area. I'm running out of daylight to clean this carpet, I mean the cover. So we got the area over there clean, and this one needs to be addressed here.